Hello everyone! Today is not a video tutorial of crochet or knitting. Today I just want to talk about the bags that I have crocheted during already 2 years, and actually they are very handy. I love crochet bags. I love the cotton thread bags, and I have crocheted several types of bags for normally summertime. And today I just wanted to share my experience for those who maybe start to crochet the bags for the first time and they have no idea which type of bag they prefer. Well, I don't see one bag that I like so much. This is the crochet net bag. You see it's very big actually, really big, and a lot of things can fit inside. So this one I use just 100% cotton and it looks like that, and it suits for any style. If you make it the colors you mostly have in your wardrobe, it can really be very handy for you for putting anything you want. Actually, it's very light, very soft. You can always keep in your bag in case you need something, and when you put your groceries here in the supermarket, it looks super stylish. You feel that is something very convenient for the beach because the sand just goes away. So super easy. And I love this style so much that I have crochet like many, and I give away as a gift to all my friends and they love it. The only difference for this cotton yarn is how to say, this type of cotton. This one is, maybe we can say, mercerized cotton. This one is not mercerized, and it has a bit of thing that is used, but actually this one is much bigger and it's also handy. I like the shape of this bag. I have several video tutorials how to make this bag, and it's one of the net bags that I used mostly, and I think is my favorite net bag, even though I have also other styles. I have this one that's also very beautiful, and you can put a drawstring bag inside. You use it and really it's perfect. I use Barbante cotton for this yarn, recycled yarn, but the color is very beautiful, so I decided to have it. And I have another style net bag that I have the video, and I will just put the picture here. And I wanted to talk about this, how to call it. Some people call it Mongolia, Magnolia bag, square bag, granny square bag, because you have a square in the bottom. And it's very good because I use the detachable handles, so you can always wash, and you can crochet actually different colors and use same handles. So this yarn is the velvet. It suits for, it's very soft, it's good for winter style because it looks a bit like something cozy and warm. And this one, I actually have to wash it, it's for summertime. And this is very easy pattern, you can crochet it in one day because you just need practically a square and then you just crochet. I have tutorials for all the bags I'm talking today, and I really love this bag because it fits everything and it looks awesome. And you can use cotton, you can use cord, you can use macrame yarn, whatever. It's not heavy at all and it's really nice. Another bag that I wanted to talk was the round bag. It's the only bag I don't have tutorial yet on my channel because I crocheted them before I started YouTube, and I really love it because the round bags, I think they are always popular. They are very functional, they are very stylish, and especially the jute bag, I think no matter which season, which year, you can see that the round bags are always cute, especially together with the leather handles. You can use, of course, other style with other handles. I don't have even any zipper or lock. I just put normally with a drawstring bag, and I just use it when I don't have to bring a lot of things, because still is smaller than other style of bags. And with dress and the shoes of like sandals, it's really beautiful and easy to make. Actually, you need just to crochet the two circles, and then you crochet, you choose like how big you want the hole, like the opening part, and then you just crochet several rows of single crochet around until like this, and then just sew together and the bag is ready. It's very easy to crochet this bag, and you can make it with jute yarn, cotton, or any other yarn. And I wanted to try to crochet the round bag with the popcorn stitch, because I see on Instagram they are very popular, but I still didn't have enough time. I will probably upload the video about that. This one, you can see the video on my channel as well, is sort of, how to say, mochila, how to pronounce this style of bag, but it's very soft because I used not too thick yarn inside. So this is a very soft, that can be like a backpack or just a bag with a nice ornament on it. It's very beautiful. I love it. I use it mostly when I go to picnics, camping or something, because it's very light, it's very beautiful actually, and it can fit practically everything. You can see how big is it, and when you dress some camping clothes, I love it. Of course, you can make this bag more shapy if you use thicker yarn inside. I mean, how to explain, because for this yarn, for this bag, I also use the technique that you can see inside there is the jute yarn. So if you use something like this for this bag, it will have a perfect bucket shape and will be like this wayuu bags they are called. So this one is just a soft version, and one of my classmates make drawstring backpack, and I really love the idea of backpack. This is my last bag that I made using the same technique I used for this bag that I have tutorial on my channel. And I love this one. Is called Japanese knot bag, because in Japan they created that one handle is much longer than the other one. You can put the long one and the bag is locked practically, and I really love it, especially the last one, because I love the color. And you just put inside, and really I have a baby now, so I put a lot of baby things and can fit everything inside. Is always full, and I love how it looks like. So I hope this video was useful, and you can really choose any bag to crochet, because sometimes the people think that it's very hard to crochet the bag, but it's not. It's fast, it's easy, you don't need any measurements like for the cardigan or sweater or whatever. You can just crochet, enjoy, relax, and wherever you are, in the subway, on the playground, you can crochet a bag for you, and they are really nice as a gift because everyone appreciates, especially the net bags. I gave away maybe hundreds of them and everyone loved them, really. So that's it for today. My baby starts to cry. Oh, let's say hi, Marco. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he needs some milk now. So that's it for today. I hope the quality of this video will be okay because it's first time. I wanted just to show the bags I made because I had several, and sometimes I receive messages like which bag is more practical, which bag is easier to make, and actually I have to say all of them are very practical. The easiest in my opinion to start is cotton, because you just take any cotton yarn and crochet a net bag, and it's very easy. And actually also this one is one of my favorite. It's also very easy and even faster than the net bag, but you must count a bit, and well, actually they are both very easy. So, and all of these bags I have tutorials, so I hope you enjoy making them, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.